25x more durable than ordinary cables, withstands up to 25,000 bends based on internal laboratory test result, compared with 1,000 bends for an ordinary PVC cable. Tested to survive over 10,000 plus connections. Ultra-flexible silicone technology resists tangling and kinking. MFi-certified for safety and compatibility. Includes a cable clip to keep things tidy. Our BoostCharge Flex cables bring flexibility, softness, and durability to your charge. Designed with user experience in mind, these charging cables won't kink, resists tangling, and doesn't get frayed. That's because they are engineered with silicone technology, giving you a soft-to-touch and flexible experience, all while still being up to 25x more durable than ordinary cables. Available in 1M/3.3 FT, 2M/6.6 FT, and 3M/10 FT lengths. Top reviews from the United States. Durable quality. Very durable and sturdy cord. Not as flexible as some more light-duty cords. Looks like it will last a long time.